Hello. During the tutorial, I'll explain what we mean by hierarchical data inheritance in DesignBuilder and show you how it can be used to set model data quickly and how to use the Clear Data to Default tool to reset user-defined data back to the inherited or default data. When a building is created in DesignBuilder, generic library data related to building.
You can access the full tutorial from DesignBuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on DesignBuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate DesignBuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.